or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Anna Nicole and welcome to another Vlogmas. So as you can tell by the title, today's video will be a nighttime routine in my life. So I'm just going to take you all with me through the process of winding down, show you what I do. So if that's something you're interested in, stay tuned and let's get into the video. A quick look at what needs to be done. I filmed a makeup routine this morning and that went up. So if you missed that, definitely be sure to watch that. But I need to clean this up. And I also have some trash that I need to pick up around my apartment. And I also need to take my comforter out of the dryer and actually put it on the bed. And then I also want to make dinner, and I'm torn between just having some burritos or actually making real dinner. So I'm going to just go ahead and clean first. I also need to take this makeup off. I can't do this. So I'm going to take this makeup off and clean my apartment. And in the process, I will be thinking about what I want to have for dinner. Okay, this is very, very messy, but I need to take my makeup off first because I truly cannot sit here or just like do anything with this makeup on. And it's so dark, I'm so sorry. This angle. It's hard filming at nighttime, I'm telling you. It just gets dark so quick. I also just got off work. Did I already say that? Well, it just gets dark so quick now. And I'm just not a fan. And it's so cold outside. I'm also not a fan of that. But yeah, so after this, I'm going to clean up. My makeup's off and I feel so much better. Literally so much better. And now I can organize and put this stuff up. Taking my comforter out of the dryer so I can finally make my bed. It's been way too long. Okay, my bed is made up and everything is clean. I even just sprayed like the bed down. It's still a little wet in the middle, but I just sprayed it down with the sleep incense that I have. I got from Aeropostale. I doubt it actually works. It just really smells so good. Now I really want to hop in the shower. I feel like this video is moving really quickly with me crossing off my to-do list, but once I hop in the shower, I will feel so much better because I still feel like I have like makeup on my face and I do not like that. One of the big reasons I actually wanted to hop in the shower is to go ahead and start this as well. These have been sitting in here waiting for me to start the washing machine for way too long. Okay, so as you can see in this clip and the last clip, I am out of the shower and I'm already dressed. I also already put some lotion and everything on and I feel so smooth. My legs feel so smooth, but it's because of what I use in the shower, which actually I'll go more into detail on in my maintenance vlog. I think that makes more sense. Yes, right now I'm about to put some aloe vera gel on my face. I did everything except for like skincare, face care, because I wanted to do this part on camera. Yeah, so every single night I put on some aloe vera gel. Sometimes I put on a heavy moisturizer and sometimes I put on like a face, what's the word for it? Oh, and then sometimes I put on a face mask. But tonight, I think I'll do some moisturizer and then put a light face mask on top. So I just take the moisturizer and I really focus the moisturizer on my forehead because that's the part that I dried out. And then I'll just put a light face mask on top. And when I say light, I mean I'm just rubbing it all in instead of letting it just sit there. Because I was looking crazy in the last vlog where I just let it sit there. As you can see, my nighttime routine literally consists of me cleaning up the mess that I made during the day and also preparing for the next day and winding down and stuff like that. Also decided I'm having tilapia for dinner, so I'm currently thawing that out, and I'm also going to have some rice on the side, easy rice. I was trying to decide between green beans or broccoli. Figure that out a little bit later. I still have time while my tilapia thaws out. But I also need to get some work done. So now is typically the time if I have any content that I need to edit, that I will edit, or any content well, before I took my shower would be the time that I would film content like for different companies and stuff. So, or for myself, like for Vlogmas. So I am currently filming, so I don't have to worry about that. But I would like to send some emails and stuff because I do have a little sidebar project that I'm working on that I need to check in on and make sure everything is going great with that. So I'm about to get some work done. Okay, it is much later now, like maybe an hour later. It's not that bad. It's pretty much later now. I've been chilling. I finished my work and then I got on TikTok and Instagram and all of those socials. By the way, if you don't follow me on Instagram, definitely follow me on Instagram. I post literally every day, either on my story or actual posts or reels. I post something every single day. I'm so active and I'm responsive on Instagram. So if you ever want to just chit chat, you can hit me up on Instagram or just comment down below. I'll respond. Either way, it's time to make some dinner. So the fish here is all thawed out, so I can go ahead and prepare this first. Okay, so I keep saying marinate, but it's not really marinate because I'm not letting the fish sit really. But to season the fish, I always like to start with putting oil on it, olive oil on the fish, and then like poking holes in it. I guess so that in my mind, I feel like the seasoning is going in the fish, if that makes sense, but I doubt that's what's actually happening. But it makes me feel better, like mentally, knowing that I'm seasoning also the inside of the fish. So yeah, I just put some olive oil on it, and now I'm just rubbing it around, rolling like the fish around while putting holes in it. For seasoning, I love Italian seasoning. I am using this, and then I'm also using garlic powder. I'm just putting that on the fish, and then I'm going to flip it and put it on the other side too. And then this is where I feel like the holes really come in handy. I like to put some soy sauce on the fish as well. And I really feel like this would be even better if I were to actually marinate the fish, but I just really don't have time for that. I went ahead and put the rice on as well. So now I have the rice and the fish on. And when the rice cooks a little bit more, I'm just going to throw some broccoli in there with it. I decided I'm having broccoli because it would be so easy for me to just throw that in there with the rice so it can cook for like the last few minutes. And then, yeah, I'll be done. But in the meantime, I really want to watch Wednesday on Netflix. You all been watching that? I feel like that show is so good. I mean, I feel like the show is really popular right now and it's so good. And now I'm just about to create the vibe in here. Well, it's kind of a vibe. I just realized I probably shouldn't turn everything off until my food's done and I'm actually eating. So this is what we're working with right now. It's still kind of cute, but it'll be cuter in like 10 minutes. Now I'm going to chill here, eat my dinner, and keep watching my show because it's getting so good. Okay, now the very last part, if I'm being realistic, is me editing this video so that it can go up for tomorrow's Vlogmas. So that is actually going to conclude this video. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you all right back here tomorrow with another video. Bye guys.